Does your organization struggle to manage business communication, the constant flow of information both within and outside the company? Is the communication effective, clear, and continuous? Clear and prompt communication is essential in every organization. Enhance your customers' experience and improve business practices, keeping customers and employees informed by leveraging notifications within Acumatica. Notifications are used daily, internally for time and expense, support cases that require attention, or opportunities that need to be contacted. Likewise, they are used externally, communicating with vendors and customers regarding upcoming due dates or invoices past due, or orders that have been filled. Acumatica provides the ability to send email notifications or mobile notifications depending on the customer's preference. In this scenario, learn how notifications are used to inform customers when their orders are ready for pickup. Karina fulfills cupcake orders throughout the day, and it's important to notify customers right away when their order is ready. She can see the cupcakes that are ready on her dashboard. And to streamline contacting the customers, Acumatica will either notify them by email or text message based on their preference. For customers choosing text messages, a mobile notification is used. The notification can pull information from the transaction, such as their phone and invoice number. A business event automates contacting the customer. In this scenario, when an invoice is released, the status changes to open, which triggers the text message to send to the customer. The Subscribers tab contains the notification to send. Drilling back on the notification, you can see the message that will be sent and the data fields of the phone and invoice number that will be included. Once Karina releases the invoice, the text will be sent and she can check the business event history to see if the text was successful. For customers choosing to be notified by email, a notification template is used. Similar to the text message, data fields can pull information into the email message. You can track the communication to a contact or to the invoice or to the account and attach a copy of the invoice. A business event automates contacting the customer, and when the invoice is released, the status changes to open, which again triggers the email message to send to the customer. The Subscribers tab contains a notification to send. Drilling back on the email notification, you can see the message that will be sent and see that it will also include the contact ID, the doc date, and the invoice number from the transaction. Once Karina releases the invoice, the email will be sent and she can check the email history to see that the email was successful. As you can see, notifications are a great and effective way to communicate both to your internal employees and to your customers. You'll be amazed at how much time you will save your organization with just a little notification automation. For more information, check out the Acumatica Financial Management Suite preview at rocktonconnect.com.